Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the SK hynix Gold S31 500GB SSD. I did receive this product to unbox, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice and simple retail box. Again, 500GB SSD, 2.5-inch internal drive. So we got SATA 3 with this. So we're getting speeds up to 560 megabytes for read and 525 megabytes for write. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up. So here are all the package contents. You can see first up we got our terms and conditions, followed by our user instructions. Then we have the drive itself right here with its nice metallic enclosure and case. Really like how everything looks with the sticker on the top with their logo and branding. The black, the gold, the white text, and the silver. Everything looks really nice. Just your typical 2.5-inch enclosure right here with all of your screw holes for you. Your connectors too. Here it is from the bottom side. You can see product number, serial number, logo branding, QR code, 500 gigabytes clearly labeled for you too on this drive. And this SSD is very, very lightweight and looks really good. So this has been your unboxing. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.